What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm going to break down the trade that I took Tuesday, November 14th. Today is Wednesday, November 15th. So this is yesterday's trade. I'm going to break it down real quick for you guys, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, yesterday we had a huge push up off CPI data, huge rally up, and we ended up slowing down. It was about a $5 or $6 move on QQQ. So we ended up pushing up, right? We slowed down and we found some support, two supports here. So I made a level of 382.8, and then we had a pre-market high of 384.39. So I marked a level out there as well. Now, if we were going to break below this 382.8, I was going to look for puts. If we're going to break above this 384.39, I was going to look for calls. Another thing I took note of was a trend line. I saw the price was forming some sort of I guess a trend line up. We ended up slightly breaking that trend line, but being supported by the 45-day EMA as soon as the market opened. We broke above that trend line back again, and I anticipated the break of 384.39. As you can see, my red arrow is where I entered. I ended up anticipating this break. We got a pullback. I had my stop loss set as a close below this trend line and below the 9 and 20, right? So perfect support right here. We ended up getting supported, going up for another push. We didn't make it on this one, pulled back. I had my original plan. I said, listen, if this is going to break below my stop loss, then that's when I'm going to get out. We never ended up breaking and closing below that. Perfect support there, literally to a T. And then we ended up breaking the 384.39 level, and I sold just at the top of this candle right into the 60s, almost the 70s, 384.66, around there. So kind of a choppy play. It was kind of risky to be in. My P&L was fluctuating. I was getting kind of nervous with it. I didn't really like the price action, but I had my stop loss set and I knew exactly where I was going to get out. So that's one key that I took away from this trade. Was I had my stop loss. If it triggered, like if my stop loss was triggered, if I had to close below it, I'm out. It's simple as that. But we never actually had that, and the momentum was up the entire time. So I was a little bit biased towards the upside as well. I won't lie, just because of that massive move, I wasn't exactly looking to take shorts. But we ended up pushing up, obviously, as you can see, and I got out up here. So kind of a risky trade. This trade was about 13%, about a 13% gainer. So solid overall. I would have liked to have this run a little bit further, but I wasn't wanting to risk it after I saw this rejection here. I just wanted to get out as soon as we started getting some decent momentum above that. And obviously, as you can see, if I would have held it, we could have gone up to 80s or 90s, but we would have came right back down, tested that same support line, and then I would have been in the negative again, and then I would have had to hold through all of this just to get up to 385.42. So it's not really worth my mental time, or I guess my mental energy, to sit through that entire trade. My idea is to get shorter moves, quicker moves, catch that momentum, and move on with the day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something from this trade and take something from this trade. Keep following the trend, right? The trend is your friend. You don't want to fight against that unless you're going for a shorter move. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button down below and like this video for more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next video.